Namaste friends. Today I am making one vegetable. This is squash. So squash, then this onion, one chopped onion, then ginger, chili, green chili. You can use garlic also. Then in spices I am using turmeric powder, little mustard seeds, raw cumin, chili powder. This is dhania powder, zira powder and salt. I am also using little ajwain. This is ajwain. Then little garam masala. So now let's start. And meanwhile I heat the oil. Now I am putting the cumin seeds, little cumin seeds. Then mustard seeds, little bit, like half spoon mustard seeds. Then ajwain, onion next. Now I am putting the salt. It will help to cook the onion little fast. Cook the onion for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, put the ginger paste. As you can see, the onion is cooked nicely. Now I am putting the chopped ginger. You can make paste also, or else you can just grate it. Then chili, green chili. Mix it well. Now turmeric powder, little turmeric powder. Just cook in low flame. I am cooking in low flame only. Now I am adding the dhania powder. I mostly use dhania powder more than the zira powder. Then chili powder, 1 spoon chili powder is enough. Just saute for 1 minute. Now I am adding the squash and just mix it well. Just mix it nicely and keep the flame medium. Cook in medium flame. Now I am frying this for 3 minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. I am just frying this. After that I am going to add water. So friends, after 3 minutes you can see it will look, the sabzi will look like this. Now I am going to add water. And and cover it and cook for another 5 minutes. Now I am going to add little garam masala. This much is enough. Now friends, you can see it is ready to serve. So you can have this sabzi with hot chapati, or as a side dish for with rice also you can have. So I hope you will like this video also. It's a you can garnish this sabzi with coriander leaf. So thank you friends. See you again.